The beauty industry thrives on customer relationships. In today's digital age, managing these relationships effectively can be a challenge. That's where customer relationship management, or CRM, systems come in. CRM helps beauty businesses by providing a centralized platform for managing client data, appointments, preferences, and more. Imagine having all your client information at your fingertips, enabling you to offer personalized services that resonate with each individual. CRM delves deeper, helping you understand customer behavior, purchase history, and even predict future needs. This wealth of knowledge empowers salons and spas to tailor their offerings, marketing campaigns, and loyalty programs for maximum impact. By leveraging the power of CRM, beauty businesses can build strong customer relationships that translate into increased loyalty, repeat business, and ultimately, greater profitability. The beauty industry is all about personalization. Clients want to feel special, understood, and catered to. CRM systems empower beauty businesses to achieve this level of personalization by providing a 360-degree view of each client. Imagine accessing a client's complete history, from past appointments and services to product preferences and even skin sensitivities, with just a few clicks. This information allows beauticians to provide highly personalized recommendations and treatments, significantly enhancing the customer experience. Knowing your client's preferences allows you to anticipate their needs. CRM systems provide valuable insights into overall customer behavior and trends. This data allows you to identify your most popular services, peak booking times, and even predict future demand. In the competitive beauty landscape, personalized service is paramount. Clients are more likely to return to a salon or spa where they feel valued and understood. CRM systems empower beauty businesses to deliver this level of personalized service by leveraging the power of data. Imagine greeting a client by name, remembering their preferred beverage, and having their favorite products ready for their appointment. These small, personalized touches can make a significant difference in the overall customer experience. CRM systems make it easy to track these details, ensuring that every client interaction is tailored and memorable. Personalized service extends beyond the initial greeting. With CRM, salons can send targeted promotions and reminders based on clients' individual preferences and purchase history. CRM systems can help salons manage client feedback effectively. By leveraging data and insights, salons and spas can create personalized experiences that foster loyalty, encourage repeat business, and set them apart in a crowded market. Beyond personalized service, CRM systems provide beauty businesses with a wealth of data that can be used to make informed business decisions. By analyzing customer data, salons can identify trends, patterns, and opportunities to optimize their operations and maximize profitability. One of the key benefits of CRM is its ability to track key performance indicators, or KPIs, such as customer retention rates, average transaction value, and service popularity. By monitoring these metrics, beauty businesses can identify areas of strength and weakness, allowing them to make data-driven decisions to improve their services, marketing efforts, and overall business strategies. With numerous CRM options available, selecting the right one for your beauty business can seem daunting. However, by focusing on your specific needs and priorities, you can find a system that seamlessly integrates with your operations and helps you achieve your business goals. Start by assessing your budget and the size of your business. Some CRM systems offer affordable plans specifically designed for small businesses, while others cater to larger enterprises with more complex needs. Consider factors such as the number of users, storage capacity, and integrations with other software you already use, such as appointment scheduling or accounting tools. Next, prioritize features that align with your business objectives. If your goal is to enhance customer retention, focus on CRM systems with robust email marketing and loyalty program functionalities. Choosing the right CRM is an investment in the future of your beauty business. In today's competitive beauty industry, Providing exceptional customer experiences is paramount to success. CRM systems empower salons and spas to go above and beyond by providing a centralized platform for managing client data, personalizing interactions, and making data-driven decisions. From personalized service and targeted marketing to optimized operations and data-driven decision-making, CRM offers a comprehensive suite of tools to elevate the beauty business to new heights. By embracing the power of CRM, beauty businesses can unlock their full potential, differentiate themselves from the competition, and achieve sustainable success in a dynamic and ever-evolving market. Unlock the full potential of your beauty business. Click the link in the description to try a free version of cutting-edge CRM today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for your daily dose of inspiration and exciting updates.